powerful golden dragon, protector of the land of 1,000 legends, was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Niwa, earth. And Flammo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
Niwa, use your earth powers to stop her. Jinho, use your monkey paw.
It's not that easy. She's powerful.
I'll stop her.
Raindrop, I am so sorry. These element powers are new to me. I didn't know I could do that.
Well, that proves it, Xiaoyan. You've got some awesome powers, and you're ready for our next mission.
Which is? Now we know Xiaoyan is an element. We can reawaken the golden dragon from its 12-year slumber.
No, we can't. Not without all 5 elements. We need the fire element.
There's no way I'm doing a group hug with Flammo. He's not going to want to be with us any more than we want him.
We've got no choice. We need Flammo.
Tell me this, Master Yun. Why shouldn't we just pull this lever and get rid of you right now? Because I know too much. How can General Boo stop the elements reawakening the Golden Dragon if he doesn't know how they are going to do it?
General Boo knows step 1 for the elements is to reunite with Flammo.
With me?
Don't worry. I've got a plan if they try.
Boo's flying fortress. We gotta hurry. If it takes off, we'll never get to Flammo.
But how are we going to get in there? The fortress is heavily guarded.
We're smart enough to get through. If we can combine our elemental powers, we can take on a few dumb terrors. Hi-ya!
But I've only had my powers for a few days. I'm not ready.
Sometimes you need to make a leap of faith, Xiaoyan. Isn't that right, Jinho? Yeah. I've always had faith in my leaps. There's a difference between faith and overconfidence.
That old beggar's being attacked.
Food on a poor beggar. Hello. Are you all right?
My leg!
Xiaoyan!
Hey!
What happened?
I don't know. That stick had a strange aura.
It was just a walking stick, Xiaoyan.
Maybe you are right. Perhaps my element powers are still a bit shaky.
This reuniting of the elements. Not that that's ever gonna happen, but what is it exactly? It's a lot like this soup. It too is made up of elements. Rice, barley, water, and something I can't quite place. I think Grab put his finger in it. Kind of spoils the story and the soup. But still, on their own, Those elements are good, but together they're much better. That's what it will be like when you reunite with your fellow elements.
Will be a bowl of soup?
A wonderful bowl of soup. Rich, strong, powerful.
Yeah, well, that sounds very exciting. Not.
Flammo, before you go, just hold this bowl for a minute.
Wait, you think that'll somehow help me get your deep and meaningful message?
No, the soup's gone cold, and your hands could warm it up a bit. Could you go ping when it's ready?
The mud's dry. His cast is ready.
And so is his crutch.
We'll have you up and about in no time, sir.
No, he won't. He's still unconscious.
Well, we can't wait around for him to wake up. We have to get to the fortress.
But we can't just leave him here.
I know. We'll take him to that farmhouse.
But that's miles away. The fortress might take off without us.
Raindrop, we're not leaving him.
Very well, forget the soup. Instead, think of reuniting the elements as forming a sporting team. Individually, the players might be good, but together they're...
Just what I need. A peach. What are you doing here?
Flammo was just keeping me company while I ate. We were discussing sport.
Well, don't. Master Yun's discussions are dangerous, so keep away from him.
Yes, General Boo.
What do you need a peach for?
Oh, I don't need the peach. I need the pit.
Hey! I came to tell you that stupid bud brought something for you. What you need with a walking stick, I don't know.
Yes! This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. Now we can get going.
Can't we go any faster?
Calm down, Raindrop. We're nearly there.
I'll go and get help.
And the flying fortress is still there.
We're going to make it, Raindrop. The farmhouse is empty. No one's lived here for years. Uh-oh, look!
It's taking off!
We're too late! There goes our chance to get Flammo.
If it makes you feel better, we probably wouldn't have got to him anyway. I really don't have a handle on my wood powers yet.
Listen to the two of you. We have to get into that fortress.
Oh, he's waking up.
And then maybe I can help.
Thanks, but I don't think begging's gonna work. Or even from a professional like you. Ow!
That's all right. You see, I'm not really a beggar. I am the Lord of the Cranes.
I have heard of you. You travel the land disguised as a beggar to see who is kind and honorable.
And you get a tick in both boxes. Where's my walking stick?
The thief flew off with it. Sorry.
But it is important. It is the symbol of my authority as Lord of the Cranes.
I knew it was special. I could sense it. This is a poor substitute, but you need something to help you walk.
Thank you. Now I must repay your kindness.
I don't see how you can get us into Boo's fortress.
I can't, but I know who can. Do you have something shiny in your bag I can use to attract their attention?
Nope. No good. I got it! How about me? Right in up.
Here they come! Arise, my subjects! My new friends here need a lift.
Do you know what this is?
This is a hard one. Don't tell me.
I know. A walking stick?
I told you not to tell me.
Of course it's a walking stick, but do you know where it comes from? The Tree of Longevity, the most powerful and sacred tree in the land of 1,000 legends. I've been searching for this for the past 12 years, and now I have it.
Yeah, that's just what I was going to say.
Well, can you guess what I'll get if I combine this ordinary peach pit with a stick from the Tree of Longevity?
Yeah, a game of stickball.
I'll be the thrower, you be the hitter.
No! These are not playthings. Give me that. Using my alchemical skills, I'm going to combine these to create a peach pit imbued with the powers of the Tree of Longevity.
Oh. Why?
Because a peach pit that powerful can destroy the golden dragon, and I will reign supreme!
The fortress! They'll never expect us from the air. The place will be unguarded.
I told you we'd make it, Raindrop.
Yes! Thanks for the ride. Okay, guys, time to find Flammo and reunite.
Hold on. Is it just me, or is there someone else who doesn't know what reunites means exactly?
Master Yun would know.
Maybe he's still here. Get real. Raindrop, what do we do after we find Flammo?
We go in, we get him, and then we figure it out.
When I shot down the golden dragon 12 years ago, it was with the last peach pit from the Tree of Longevity. Right now, the golden dragon sleeps. But if those elements ever manage to reunite and raise the golden dragon, I am ready for them. With a peach pit I have empowered with the sap of the Tree of Longevity, this deadly pit will shoot down the dragon once and for all. Where's Flammo?
You can kiss your golden dragon goodbye. General Boo has created a killer peach pit using this.
That stick. It's from the Tree of Longevity.
Yeah, not such a long life for the dragon, though.
This is not good news for you, Flammo. If the golden dragon dies, the world will become a terrible place to live in.
No way. General Boo says it will be a better place.
Don't believe everything Boo tells you, Flammo. In fact, don't believe anything he tells you.
No! General Boo wouldn't lie to me. He's my friend.
Appearances can be deceiving, Flammo. It is the other elements who are your friends. Boo is your enemy.
He's not! You're the liar!
Flammo, wait!
So far, so good. Shh. Terrace.
Uh-oh. Wow, that was close, thanks.
I think we have to split up. It's the only way we'll find Flammo.
But that's dangerous. We're in enemy territory.
Wait, I sense something. I sense a strange aura again. Like that walking stick. And it's coming this way.
General Boo!
Flammo was where?
Sneaking out of the old man's cell. I think he's Flammo's new best friend.
That doesn't. It's time to send Master Yun where he'll have no chance to brainwash Flammo ever again. Get rid of the old man. You know what to do.
Yes, General Boo. Lunch first.
Master Yun is still here.
And I have to find him before Grub sends them away.
Well, look who's here. Won't General Boo be pleased when I tell him who's crashed the party?
Don't! Flammo, you're one of us!
Yes, Flammo, we want to be friends.
Be friends with this!
Leave. I have something very private and personal to attend to.
Look, if you want to play with your dolls...
No, this is an important affair of state.
Whatever!
While I have this, the Golden Dragon is as good as dead. No one will ever find it in here.
Give up now and you can share a cage with Master Yun.
Come on, Flammo. We don't want to fight you.
Too bad! I want to fight you!
Hey, Flammo, ever played Skittles?
Yeah, you're the Skittles!
Oh! Flammo, watch out!
I'm not falling for that old trick. You saved my life.
I told you. We don't want to fight you.
We want you with us.
We should be on the same team.
But I'm with General Boo.
Flammo, we have a common destiny to raise the Golden Dragon.
Even if I did join you, that's never gonna happen.
What do you mean?
General Boo has created a magical peach pit to shoot the dragon down.
Huh? That is not possible. Only a peach pit from the Tree of Longevity can destroy the Golden Dragon, and General Boo used the last one.
Well, the General has made one that's as good as.
I don't believe you.
He did!
Prove it.
Okay, I will. If I know General Boo, he'll keep it in his private chamber.
We can't forget about the Master.
You go with Flammo. I'll go to Master Yun.
It's just through that door. General Boo!
Flammo! Grub told me Master Yun had been brainwashing you. But look at all these elements you've brought to me.
Run!
Quick, Flammo, stop them!
No, Flammo! You're one of us now. Come with us.
Flammo? Do I have to do everything myself? Ha! Torrentido!
Master Yun!
Raindrop, what are you doing here?
All 5 elements are reunited. We can reawaken the Golden Dragon. Just tell us what to do.
Now is not the time.
Watch out!
Hey! Leave that cage alone!
Raindrop!
Oops. Oh well. Now it's your turn to say bye-byes. You're going somewhere your little friends can never find you.
Don't just stand there, Flammo. Do something!
Flammo, please help us!
Flammo, don't listen to her. These elements are not your
We
friends.
saved your life!
It was a trick. Only I truly care for you. I've been like a father to you, and yet they're trying to destroy me. They've stabbed me. My son, I'm dying.
General! General!
He's tricking you, Flammo!
No, you tricked me, and I will never be your friend. Firehawk spreads his wings!
Raindrop! General Boo is sending me away.
Not if I can help it. I can't stop it. I need to know how we can revive the Golden Dragon.
You can't revive the dragon. Not yet.
Why not?
The Golden
golden dragon can only be revived when all the elements unite at the legendary Dragon's Gate.
Where's that?
Only the dragon's eye can tell you. Follow where it leads and build your elemental powers as you go. When you are ready, it will show you the way.
But we can't revive the dragon without you.
Yes, you can. Trust in your abilities.
Master Yun!
Trust in yourself, Raindrop. Sometimes you need to take a leap of faith.
It's a good thing your armor protected you, General.
Huh? Oh, yes, my armor. You'll find yourself very cozy, especially when we catch Raindrop.
Oh, no.
What's going on?
Quick, Raindrop! Flammo's gone back to General Boo!
I think he gets that.
After them! Out of my way, you useless clumps of mud!
Let's get out of here.
What about the peach pit? We have to get it before we go!
Oh no! That peach pit could be anywhere!
Then start looking. It would help if you opened your eyes.
I can sense the aura, and it's coming from in here!
They're in here! Now we're trapped!
Not necessarily.
We'll never survive the fall!
Knock the door down! Harder!
I don't think we have much choice.
See? Gravity still works.
We'll be okay. Trust me.
You're crazy!
Sometimes you have to take a leap of faith.
We saw your signal!
I said you could trust me.
You may have escaped, Raindrop, but I've still got the peach pit. Tell me it's still here! It's gone! They've stolen the peach pit! How could they know it was here?
Thank you again for your help. And we've got some good news and some bad news.
The good news is we found your walking stick.
Ah, wonderful!
But the bad news is... It was destroyed.
But there's more good news. Its potency now is in this peach pit.
Oh.
So please look after this. Keep it in a secure place where no one will ever find it.
It will be done.
Thank you?
Now we must fly south to distant lands. Good luck with your quest.
Goodbye! What is our quest?
How do we reawaken the golden dragon without Flammo?
All Master Yun said was that our journey was just beginning and will end at the Dragon's Gate.
And that's where, exactly.
I don't know, but we need to put our trust in this.
So, which way first?
What are we waiting for?